Welcome to Manhattan College. My name is Ayana Horsford. I'm a sophomore biology major with a chemistry minor and a pre-health concentration.
My name is Mike. I'm a senior here, and I'm a mechanical engineering major with a minor in mathematics.
My name is Sabrina, and I'm a sophomore mechanical engineering major with a minor in music, and today I will be leading you on your tour.
And I'll be your tour guide today.
I'll be your tour guide for today, so let's get started.
The O'Malley Library, completed in 2002, is connected to our original library, the Cardinal Hayes Pavilion. This library has 6 floors where you can find 16 different study rooms across 5 floors.
Manhattan College also participates in an interlibrary loan program, meaning you can obtain books that we may not carry from libraries worldwide. Founders Bridge recognizes and honors each of the distinguished brothers of the Christian school for whom some of the buildings on campus are named. It also honors the entire community of brothers who continue to keep the Lasallian tradition alive at Manhattan College. Thomas Hall is a multi-purpose building housing the main campus dining facility plus key offices for academic and student life support. From help with financial aid to managing student employment on campus to offering resources to better manage your money, the Office of Financial Aid Administration is here to answer the questions and find the solutions. The Center for Academic Success offers options for individual tutoring and group study sessions. The Office of Career Pathways offers many resources to help you search for internships and jobs. You will meet with a career counselor for individual advisement, participate in resume building workshops, and mock interviews. Locke's Loft is the main dining hall on campus. Open for students throughout the day, it is buffet-style dining offering a large range of cuisines. Students with a meal plan have unlimited swipes for every day. Right down the hall, you'll find the Veterans Success Center. The central location for our brave student veterans and Performing Arts Center serves as a rehearsal space for our musically gifted students. The Residence Life Office is responsible for assisting students with residence hall arrangements, room assignments, and general living inquiries. They are always available to all students who have any questions or concerns about residence or the campus community.
Dratty Gymnasium is home to our 19 Division I sports teams. Our Jaspers are named after Brother Jasper, who served at the college in the 1800s. He is most known for bringing baseball to Manhattan College and creating the 7th inning stretch, which is still being practiced across the major leagues today. Horan Hall is our biggest residence hall on campus. It is one of 2 suite-style residence halls where each suite has 2 rooms and a shared bathroom. Arch's Living and Learning Community is housed in Lee Hall, the 2nd suite-style residence hall on campus. The Arches is a unique living learning community designed to assist first-year students with their academic and social transition at Manhattan College.
You'll hear the word Lasallian a lot on our campus. Being Lasallian is at the core of who we are and drives everything we do here, both in and out of the classroom. The Lasallian community extends well beyond our campus. When you attend Manhattan College, you become affiliated with an international network of Lasallian institutions that span the globe. The Chapel of De La Salle and his brothers, found on the 2nd floor of Smith, hold events, ceremonies, and Sunday Mass. No matter what your religious affiliation, the chapel is available to all students for some quiet reflection anytime. Smith Auditorium is the centerpiece of the Manhattan College campus. You will be able to get involved in campus events all year round. Just steps away from a statue of our founder, Smith Auditorium and the chapel celebrate the diversity, inclusivity, and mission of Manhattan College.
Directly outside of Smith Auditorium, on a nice day, you will find students hanging out in between classes, kicking a soccer ball around, or throwing a frisbee on our Manhattan College campus quad. Even in our current environment, the quad is utilized for lots of student life events such as movie nights, fitness classes, and other club events. Rumor has it the 8 trees represent the 8 semesters you'll spend here as an undergraduate student. At orientation, all incoming Jaspers must walk backward down the central pathway of campus from Smith Auditorium to Memorial Hall, and recite a pledge to use only the perimeter of the quad and not set foot on senior walk until they've earned senior class standing. De La Salle Hall is home to the O'Malley School of Business. Classes are located on the second and third floors. And here you will find our trading room, which is intended to simulate a real trading room in a classroom setting. Opened in 2014, Kelly Student Commons is the center for student life at Manhattan College. With over 100 different student organizations on campus, the Kelly Student Commons provides a space for students to meet and work.
On the first floor of the Kelly Student Commons, there are many different food options and a full-service Starbucks available to students.
The Multicultural Center, located on the third floor of the Kelly Student Commons, is the hub for diversity programs planned throughout the year. The goal of the center is to provide a space for all identities to thrive and grow. Our fitness center is equipped with state-of-the-art equipment, locker rooms, and a health assessment area. Personal training is also offered. Found on the second floor, the Social Action Suite focuses on student, volunteer, and service-oriented activities. The Manhattan College Bookstore, operated by Barnes & Noble College Booksellers, offers Manhattan College merchandise, school supplies, and textbooks. The bookstore will also price match with Amazon for textbook purchases.
The new Higgins Engineering and Science Center will offer over 30,000 square feet of new lab and meeting spaces for Manhattan College students. In the lower level of Leo Hall, students and faculty have been utilizing updated and state-of-the-art fluids, concrete, soils, and mechanics labs. In addition, the Chemical Engineering Department and Environmental Engineering have opened updated labs on the fourth floor of Leo Hall. These new additions offer countless opportunities for engineering students to focus on their studies and learn with some of the best equipment and instruction available.
So this concludes our tour. We want to thank you for joining us and exploring our campus here at Manhattan College.
If you do have any further questions, you can always contact the Office of Admissions.
Thank you for joining us today, and we hope to see you soon.